The third step is to install WordPress. From within the hosting or dashboard, let's click Home. Under your to-do list, let's click Continue here to continue creating our website. Click Create New Website because we want to start fresh with our new domain. Then say that we want to build with WordPress. Click Next, and here you need to create a password for your WordPress account. This is the account that you will use to manage your website. Click Next, and here Hostinger will have us choose a website theme. Click Choose Theme instead. Don't stress about choosing a theme right now, or if this page looks slightly different. I will show you how to change this later. So for now, let's just use the default 2025 and click Next. Then click Do Not Install Plugins. We'll do this later. Now we can select our domain that we want to use for this website and that we've already registered. Click Next. Then select the data center closest to your target audience for best website loading performance. Finally, click Install WordPress. And now that WordPress has finished installing, click Dashboard in the upper left-hand menu, and that will bring you to the WordPress admin page. We can always get back here to the WordPress admin page by opening a new tab, typing in our domain name, followed up with / and wp-admin. Then we can enter our WordPress account details, and we're right back in the dashboard.